Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Daily Dash. Today's topic of the day is safety. But check out this mug that I got. I got this mug in Dubai when I was doing a show at the Atlantis Hotel, which is on by the Palm Tree Island. I think it's on the top, to be honest. And this thing has been through war. This cup is barely holding itself together. I got it in 2011 or 12 when I went to Dubai. But anyways, so today we are talking about Jesus, sorry. Stupid static. Okay, we are talking about safety today. Safety is something that is very important to me, and I've always been a very safety conscious person, especially as someone who essentially risks their life for a living. You know, I do stunt shows. I've been doing stunt shows for my entire life, and I take safety in all aspects very safely. I take safety very seriously, not safety very safely. Anyways, all right, so we're talking about safety today, and as a delivery driver, you can put yourself into some pretty risky situations. And I have been into two essentially life-threatening situations just while delivery driving. I've been in 4 life-threatening situations in my entire life. That's 4, not this 4. And 2 of them were while I was delivery driving. So a lot of people like to live in a bubble and say like, oh, nothing can, we don't need guns and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you say that until it happens to you. And it can happen anyone at any time. You never know when someone's going to try to mug you, when someone's going to try to kill you. You never know when there could be a gang initiation. All these things happen, and they happen at the last time that you would ever expected. So, first of all, safety precaution number 1, and this is the one weapon that I would tell everyone that they should have and be proficient at, and it is not a gun, it is a pepper spray. So I got this pepper spray for about $9. I think it was $8.99 at the gun store. I would recommend everyone go buy a few pepper sprays. Keep them everywhere. Keep them in your car. Keep one in your house. It should be the first step of safety precaution that you take. If something's bad is happening, use the pepper spray. It's as simple as literally a flick of a switch, press down. Ooh, it was not slid over. Anyways, all you have to do is slide it over, press down, and boom. Everyone's going to be in a world of pain that's on the other side of that. I've personally been pepper sprayed once, and I didn't even get directly pepper sprayed, and it ruined my night. It was not a good time, and it was one of the times that someone tried to essentially kill me and my friends. They ran by with a big-ass pepper spray. But anyways, I'll get into those stories later. If you guys want to hear the stories, I'm not going to include them in this video, but I will make a video with all the stories that have essentially almost ended my life. So, for one, I've been in two situations where I was just delivery driving. Didn't expect any kind of trouble or anything. It just kind of came onto me. One of them, I was in a very sketchy part of Las Vegas. Guy pulled a gun on me while we were driving. And second time, I essentially had to save this kid's life. Not anything I would have ever expected. I was not in a bad area at all. In fact, I was in Summerlin, which is one of the nicest areas of Vegas, and I just happened to be delivering a pizza right next to where a guy essentially tried to kill a kid, and I had to save the kid's life. And it was just something I would have never expected, and I wish I had a pepper spray or anything on me at the time, because I was forced to engage in hand-to-hand combat with this guy. And again, if you guys want to listen to the stories, I'll probably post them in the next video, but I'm not going to get into that. We're going to talk about safety today. So a lot of people like to carry tasers. I wouldn't really recommend a taser, because we've all seen those clips of the guy, the big dude who gets tased and it doesn't even affect them. And then what happens? They grab the taser and then you're going to get tased? I don't know about that. I like the pepper spray because you spray it once. If it doesn't work, they can't get the weapon. You know, it's only a one-time use. If you've ever been around pepper spray, it'll make you choke. It'll burn. You don't even have to get directly sprayed and it'll hurt. There's so many benefits of it, and it should give you enough time to get away from the situation. I also always will recommend to everyone get into martial arts. Learn just the basics, some basic grappling skills, jiu-jitsu, and some basic striking. Again, that's not going to be for everyone. some people are not going to be into the martial arts stuff. I just happen to enjoy MMA a lot, and I don't know. That's my world, and I enjoy it, and I recommend to everyone to at least take a few classes, just a few classes. Most people don't know any martial arts at all, and that puts you ahead of like 90% of the civilization if you know just some basic martial arts. Now, a lot of people probably expected me to say like, oh, I carry my gun on me and stuff. I generally do not carry my gun with me unless I'm going to a sketchy area, and I absolutely have to, but I generally do not carry my gun. I live in Las Vegas. It is an open carry state in Nevada, so you can carry a gun with you. I generally do not, though. I like to keep it in my house. I do have a few different guns, but we're not going to really get into gun safety today. Personally, I just don't like to talk about that stuff on my channel. But anyway, so we're on the way to the gym. Today's the Daily Dash. Hopefully if you guys have any questions about safety, let me know in the comments down below, and I will surely answer them. If you guys haven't yet, of course, join our Facebook group, Rich Driver, Poor Driver. It's a Facebook group I started. It's a bunch of productive people, and we just have a nice Facebook group where everyone asks questions, helps each other if they learn anything, shares good books, all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in bettering yourself, I would suggest joining the Rich Driver, Poor Driver Facebook group on Facebook, of course. And if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing the like button for me and subscribe. So we're dropping off. If you guys are new to this, I do a daily dash where I basically run my errands through the day. So my errands for the day are typically mail out the shoe orders from my footwear company off Axis, go to the gym, do a few Doordash orders, and I try to get them all done at the same time. And sometimes I have more things to do. But right now, we are logged into Doordash. We haven't gotten an order yet, but we're not really in a good area to. And we're on the way to the gym. I'm probably going to just drop off the shoes at the mail place and then go to the gym. So anyways, be right back. Just finished working out at the gym. Pretty solid, quick morning cardio workout. When I say cardio, I don't actually touch the cardio machines though. I just lift all of the weights, do a bunch of different muscle groups. I usually just try to do one of each muscle group. It's kind of like my morning warm-up, just to get my whole body feeling good, do a little bit of stretching, a little bit of abs, and that's it. I don't really lift heavy or anything. I haven't ate yet. I don't eat until like after my first workout. But I do, oh my god, second time today. I do have my like protein shake, which has got raw eggs, bananas, well, 2 raw eggs, a banana, almond milk, 50 grams of whey protein, lots of peanut butter, probably too much. I think that's it. I think that's all I put in there today. Sometimes I get crazy and I put a ton of stuff, but I'm keeping it simple today. So I was actually in there for the last 15 minutes waiting for an order to come. We got one from McDonald's. Today I actually decided to drive and drop off one of the pairs of shoes because they're in Vegas and they are about 15 minutes south of where I am. So I was kind of sitting in there waiting for an order to take me south, and we got one. So yeah, that's how you do casual dashing. For those of you who are new, I do what I call casual dashing, where you basically set your schedule of what your errands are throughout the day. You go and do them, but in between each one, you try to do a DoorDash order. And typically I do a DoorDash order. My gym is about 5 miles east of where I live. I try to do one on the way there and then on the way back. Today I had some extra shoes that I had to pack, so I was just kind of like, it's taking a little while to get to the gym, so I'll just go straight to the gym after I drop off the shoe orders. But now, I'm gonna make some extra money to drive and drop off these shoes. So, be right back when we get this McDonald's order. Alright, we got the order on the way. Should be there in 3 minutes or so. So, just doing a quick daily dash today. If you guys haven't yet, comment down below. Here's the question of the day. Comment down below the sketchiest situation that you guys have been in as a delivery driver. Hopefully, no one's been in any sketchy situations, but unfortunately that's usually not the reality, and especially if I've been in 2 of them, I would assume you guys have probably been at least 1 of them. So comment down below, let me know if you guys have been in any sketchy situations. Alright, just dropped off the McDonald's order. I need to drive about 16 minutes south or 8 miles. So I was about to log out, but I was like, what are the chances that I'll get a good order that's on the way there? Now I'm gonna get paid another $8.75 to drive that extra 8 miles that I was gonna drive anyways, and it delivers pretty damn close. So this is why I always say that you should always be logged in. Not always, but like whenever you can possibly do extra orders, man, those things, it seems like they come up and are super convenient at the times where you least expect it. You know, I was about to log out. I was like, I'll just stay logged in just in case, and that just in case was a smart move, because now we're gonna get paid an extra $8 to drive a distance I was already going to drive. Yeah, you gotta love when you walk in, you're 10 minutes early, and the order is still already ready. Just walked right in, grabbed the order, ready to go. I love it. So